Milk and honey can do wonders if consumed individually, but when taken together, they provide surprising health benefits. The health benefits of honey and milk include advantages in skincare and an increase in stamina. Honey is traditionally used for health because of its antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, as well as its soothing and anti-inflammatory effects on respiratory issues. Milk, on the other hand, has traditionally been praised for its vitamin and mineral content, including vitamin A, B vitamins, and vitamin D, as well as calcium, animal protein, and lactic acid. However, these attributes can combine when milk and honey are taken together, resulting in some unique and desirable benefits. Skincare benefits from drinking milk and honey. Both honey and milk possess antimicrobial and cleansing properties. These properties are enhanced when the two are taken together. Numerous cleansers are prepared using milk and honey because the mixture gives the skin a healthy glow. One can also enjoy a milk and honey bath by mixing them in equal quantities in water. The combination is often used in popular spas throughout the world. Drink milk to help your body with digestion. Honey has long been known as a source of prebiotics, which are nutrients that stimulate the growth and development of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria growing and developing in our intestines and digestive system. Prebiotics has demonstrated a stimulatory effect on bifidobacteria, a type of probiotic found in milk. The carbohydrates and oligosaccharides in honey promote a healthy and proper function of these beneficial bacteria that are essential for the healthy maintenance and function of the GI tract. When the bacterial balance in the digestive tract is good, it eliminates some irritating conditions including constipation, cramps, and bloating, and it prevents the development of detrimental bacterial growth. Drink milk and honey to increase your stamina. A glass of milk and honey every morning is known to improve a person's stamina. While milk contains protein, honey contains the necessary carbohydrates required for an effective stimulus of the metabolism. Milk and honey together provide strength to everyone, including children and the elderly. Animal proteins from milk are broken down into basic amino acids by enzymes and are then reformed to create usable proteins for humans. The excess material in this transformation is then oxidized as usable energy. Proteins are an essential part of the human diet, and honey helps to stimulate their metabolism. And there you have it. With just a glass of milk and honey every day, your skin looks great, digestive system flourishes, while your stamina increases tremendously. This allows you to carry on a day, no matter what is thrown at you. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.